Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been working on a song, podcast or voiceover in Garageband and now you are wondering how do you actually export this as an audio file, you are in the right place. GarageBand is super beginner friendly, but the export option isn't always obvious at first, especially if you are new to music production or just want a clean audio file that you can share, upload or use in a video. So in this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you exactly how to export your project as an MP3 or WAV file from GarageBand to your Mac or to your application. So for that you don't need any extra app or you don't need to have any confusion, just a simple method that works every time. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links that are given down in the description box below. Without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now before actually exporting, you need to make sure that all of your tracks are in place. You have actually trimmed the end of the project so there is no extra silence. Your volume level is also set properly. Once you are done with all of these, you need to click anywhere in your project to actually select it. Or what you can do is you can simply tap on this drop down menu in the top left hand corner of the screen, and over here tap on My Songs. Over here you will see all of your recent recordings, so you just have to long press on it and then you need to use the share button. So once you tap on share in your Mac, you will see the option of export the song to the disk, and now you will have to select the export extension or the format. It can be MP3, AAC, WAV, etc. You need to select your audio quality as good, and you can just give it a name and choose the save location and export it. You can use your exported files to actually upload it to anywhere else, and you can even just save it on your computer. So this is how you can finally get all of your recordings with the help of your GarageBand application. So if this helped you out, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button as well. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more beginner friendly tutorials on music and audio editing. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.